Here I have OPPO A77s, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key plus volume up. Then swipe power off. And after your device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after this screen turns on and the phone vibrates, you can release power key and keep holding only volume down. When you see recovery modes letters, you can release all keys and just wait until your device boots in recovery mode. So here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can just use like touch screen. So you have such options as format data, reboot device, or power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select the second option, reboot device, and tap OK. And after that, device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.